Does your bathroom lose its freshness just a few hours after cleaning? Imagine stepping into a space that smells fresh and looks clean every single day without spending too much time or money. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you simple and practical ways to keep your bathroom fresh every day. These tips are easy to follow, budget-friendly, and will make your bathroom feel like a hotel spa. Practical suggestions. First, focus on airflow. A small exhaust fan, or even keeping the window slightly open, can make a big difference. Good ventilation removes odors and prevents moisture that causes mold. Second, use natural cleaners. A spray bottle with equal parts water and white vinegar works perfectly for wiping mirrors, tiles, and counters. It's affordable, safe, and keeps surfaces shiny. Third, keep a set of bathroom-only cleaning tools. A small brush, microfiber cloth, and a squeegee should always be within reach. This makes quick cleanups easy, especially after a shower. Explaining tools. The microfiber cloth helps remove water spots without scratching surfaces. The squeegee clears water from glass doors and tiles, preventing hard stains. And the brush works well for corners and grout where dirt collects. Quick tips: place a few drops of essential oil on carton balls and tuck them behind the toilet or in a corner. Lavender or lemon oil keeps the room smelling fresh all day. Replace towels every 2 to 3 days, as damp fabric can quickly cause bad smells. Cost comparison: air fresheners from stores may cost $5 to $10 and last a short time, while natural vinegar cleaning spray costs less than $1 and lasts much longer. Essential oils may cost around $5, but can be used for months with just a few drops at a time. By following these simple steps, your bathroom will stay fresh, clean, and inviting every day. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment with your own bathroom hacks, and share it with friends.